I have your Kinder Surprises.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm opening your Kinder Surprises.
Okay.
Oh.
Need help? Just with this part? Here, I'll help you with this part. This is hard.
Yeah, it's hard. Thanks.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, not
There's two.
Yeah, there's two.
Here.
Ooh,
What is that?
chocolate.
That's what it is?
Yeah.
How do you take it out?
Oh, try
What's
to take
in
it
there?
out. Good.
Show them the inside. Oh, here's a surprise. Open it.
Oh wait, Mommy, can I eat the chocolate first?
Yeah, you can eat it. Here, get a spoon.
Look, it's a Kinder Surprise that I got from Daddy. Daddy bought me it. And Papa Pigwood. Oh, peanuts.
Is that chocolate? I
Oh,
don't think that's chocolate. Oh, yeah, it is. Crunchy.
let's do it. They always don't video themselves on YouTube. Can you help me with this?
Mm-hmm.
Help me about this. Let me see what it is first. Let's see what it is.
Let's see it. Give it
I think you spin it. Oh yeah, I do spin it. So you put.
So you put this part on the wheel, like this.
Let me see.
Look.
Yeah.
And then you put this.
Yeah. Mmm. Oh.
On top. Right?
Mmm.
See? And then look, this is the ramp. And then you go like this. Wow. Here. Show everybody what it is.
How do you do this?
It's like a ramp for the bike. So you put the ramp on the floor, and then so bye.
Bye.